We are now in Berksea Park.
Good morning, you guys. How's everyone doing?
¿Cómo se dice torontino en inglés? Torontonian.
We're going to learn about how Toronto got its name.
So I really enjoy the diversity of information and places that one can see in 3 hours. It's a perfect start to get an overview of the city.
Okay, so we have arrived at the City Hall. But this was the building. People would say, you don't have to travel to Europe. So it is called the Path.
Just his overall knowledge and kind of interesting, unique stories and things that you wouldn't necessarily, spot if you were walking around the city yourself.